Hello everybody. Today I need to change the wiper refills on the 81 Chevy Silverado. I want to demonstrate how to do these old Trico wipers. I take mine off to replace them. To me that's easier. There's a tab. A little playing, it just pops right off. Carefully set that back on the window. And we'll go inside and change that out. Okay, let's get to changing some wiper refills. Normally, you'd go to the auto parts store and pick up something like this. Just the whole thing that clips onto the J-hook. Well, back in the day, you would go to the auto parts store and something like this would be hanging up there. You'd buy a pair of wiper refills. And this pertains to the older Trico wiper blades. These were seen on quite a bit of older cars back in the day. At first I'm going to install one of these OER reproduction refills, and this is the info right here. 16-inch wiper blades are what I have, and I got those from Classic Industries. I'm going to go in where it's going to be locked in on this end. Of course, that faces the driver's side. So I'll start here. And then what I'm going to do is kick that up a little bit where I can make sure that's between the two tabs. And then I can kick this side out, make sure that's within the two tabs. And keep sliding it. Till it's in the last two tabs. Then this side here, it should just clip into place. And it did. That one's installed. Let me just for kicks demonstrate one of the old Anco refills. These are a heck of a lot easier for me to deal with. We'll just squeeze that. It comes out like that. Pulls out. To install, I start at this one. And again, same thing, make sure they stay within the tabs. And then go through this last set. There it goes. And then I'm going to go past, and then these lock in from this way. That one's done. Those are a lot easier for me, but I did manage to get this one. So I'll go in. I've already done the other one off camera, so I'll go install this one, and we'll be done with this little task. And now to reinstall the wiper blade assembly. Make sure it's locked into place. That's done. Guess we go ahead and give them a test. Seem like they're working pretty well. So once again, this has been replacing the wiper blade refills on the 81 Silverado. Thank you for watching.